Koduct was founded in 1986 and is at its peak today. As of 2008, the company had 36 employees with an annual sales of 8 billion won. The company has recently relocated to an expanded building of 4,132 square meters in Myeongji-dong, Gangso-gu. It is a relatively small company, but one that is full of promise and energy. Koduct specializes in the production of cable-layer products that provide protection for power supply cables and hoses. Aiming to become a leader in the world market, we have dedicated ourselves to producing globally competitive products that stand out above others in terms of performance and practicality. We are already rising above our competitors in the technological battle, earning trust and credibility through such major certifications as ISO 9001, TS 16949, InnoBiz, and CE. Currently, we are producing over 500 different kinds of finished plastic cable carriers and steel cable carrier products, using about 3,000 parts. Our team of talented human resources is fully prepared to deliver 100% satisfaction to meet the demand of customers who require individual specs for their products.
저희 코닥트는 20년 동안 꾸준하게 케이블 캐리어 제품 개발에 역점을 두고 투자를 해왔습니다. IMF 위기가 발생해도 준비된 자에게는 기회가 온다는 말처럼 국가 경쟁 위기를 성장의 발판으로 삼아 저희 코닥트는 새로운 전환기를 맞이하면서 급성장을 하였습니다. 지금 코닥트는 스폰 용접계의 자동 감시 장치인 스팟아이를 독자 개발하여 새로운 판로를 개척하고 있으며 독일 레온회사와 독점 계약하여 산업용 로봇 전선 보호 장치인 더 스펙을 수입하여 단독으로 공급하는 등 항상 앞서가기 위해 노력하고 있습니다. 현재 세계 경제가 어려운 상황이지만 저희 코닥트는 단연간 축적된 노하우와 신제품의 개발로 인해 미국과 일본, 유럽 등 많은 국가의 수출을 증대할 수 있는 좋은 기회가 될 것이라고 확신하며 앞으로도 세계화 차별된 제품 개발로 케이블 캐리어 시장에 새로운 패러다임을 구축해 나가겠습니다.
Koduct produces and supplies plastic cable carriers and steel cable carriers, in addition to flexible tubes and connectors, with outstanding suppleness and durability. These products have been introduced and exported to countries in Southeast Asia, China, and the USA. Koduct offers fast repair and maintenance services through our local distribution centers by highly knowledgeable and skilled service technicians. We used an L-shaped design capable of utilizing free span for small-sized products that produce little or no noise and dust, and a fork pin design for large-sized products that can be used over longer distances. The fork pin design products are linked in 3 layers and designed with a clover that closes inside the body, thereby allowing only minimal damage to the cable and reducing risk of breaking away from the link even when they are twisted. This series of products are used for distances that are twice the length of free span. They can be made to fit a specific installation simply by changing the setting of width. This product is lightweight because the body is constructed with engineering plastic. Depending on the type, the bodies are joined through a triple link system so that they will not separate from each other even when they are twisted. Built with polyamide 6, this eco-friendly product has outstanding flame resistance. It is easy to cut and has outstanding flexibility, stability, and durability. Made with highly durable aluminum bars and fixed with heat-treated bolts, this series of products are light in weight and can install cable. Developed for long distance, this product can cover any distance that you need. Dress Pack refers to a cable protection device that can be attached to the upper part of the industrial robot's arm. Made with reinforced plastic fabric materials, it withstands repeated repercussion impact. Spot Eye is a device that can monitor spot welding status on a real-time basis. It can monitor and record data such as defects or incorrect spot welding on the body and manage the spot welding quality through a network system. This product will improve welding quality. Standing by our management philosophy of the 3 C's, which stands for casual, competitive, and creative, we are committed to providing the best products and services for our customers at the most reasonable prices. We will always be there for our customers as a trusted and reliable partner. We are committed to remaining a trusted business partner and to growing together with our customers.